Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to grow wheatgrass indoors. First, gather your essential supplies like wheatgrass seeds, shallow trays, and good quality organic potting soil. Next, measure out your desired amount of wheatgrass seeds. Remember to soak these seeds in cool water for about 8 to 12 hours before you plan to plant them. This step is crucial for successful germination. Once your seeds are properly soaked, it's time to plant them. Spread the seeds evenly across the surface of your prepared soil in the tray. There's no need to cover them with more soil. Gently mist the seeds with water to keep them moist. For the first 2 to 3 days, cover the tray to create a humid environment, which helps with germination. After 2 or 3 days, you should see tiny sprouts. Uncover the tray and move it to a spot with indirect sunlight. Water your wheatgrass daily, ensuring the soil remains consistently damp but not waterlogged. Good air circulation is also important to prevent mold. You can use a small fan if your growing area feels too stagnant. Your wheatgrass will be ready to harvest in about 7 to 10 days, typically when it reaches 6 to 8 inches in height. Use sharp scissors to cut the blades just above the soil line. You can usually get a second and sometimes even a third cutting from the same tray. Enjoy your fresh, homegrown wheatgrass in juices or smoothies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.